In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Notion app. By updating Notion app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any errors that might be associated with your Notion app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to update your Notion app, you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store. And from Play Store here, using the search bar, search for Notion, or if you can't see the search bar, head over to the search icon down below, tap on it, and then type in Notion. Now, if you go ahead and search for it, you should see we have our Notion app here, and we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Notion, not Task AI app. Go ahead and tap on update to get the latest version of this app. So this will go ahead and download the latest version of Notion app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, now you can go ahead and tap on open to start using the latest version of Notion app. So that's how you can update your Notion app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.